Hey man, this some new shit we making before we hit the lab, man. We make our hits in the car, man. We made Lumberjacks and Lees in the car. We made MONEY in the car. And all these other songs coming y'all way, we making the car, nigga. A motherfucking Dodge Caliber, nigga. That's what we making in, nigga. Real shit, nigga. Straight up. This the grind, nigga. Yo, hey, I'm your biggest fan. Baby, can't you tell? If I had $1 million, you would have 1 million sales. All kind of emails, followers on Twitter, different type of photos on Facebook with chinchilla, popping bottles with your homegirls, showing off your Skrilla. Really love the fact that you can handle all your liquor. You asked me how I know, and I told you I'm your fan, cause every time you come around, I just crumble like sand. Let's get it popping like it can. You need to start playing. I can only give you my all if you just give me a chance. Because that I'm a groupie, does that make you weak? Cause you really got a high physique, and you just unique. Plus you got a sense of humor like that funny lady Monique. Lay you right between my sheets, with your body all on me. I'm your biggest fan, I'm your biggest fan. And in court I'll never snitch, cause I'll never take the stand. Boom. Music junkies, man. Poonaville. I'm your biggest fan, baby, straight up. You ready for it, bro?